say goodbye to you. Things happen, but we don't really know why. If it's supposed to be like this, why do most of us ignore the chance to miss? Oh yeah. Torn apart at the seams of my dreams, turn to tears. I'm not feeling this situation. Run away, try to find that safe place you can't hide. It's the best place to be when you're feeling like yeah. All these things I hate revolve around me. Yeah. Just back up before I snap. Once more you tell those lies.